This is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So first and foremost, right, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update we are going to be posting for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now take a look at our GBP USD. You can clearly see on our GBP USD, we are in an uptrend move. It is very clear that market is trending to the upside. We are having a series of higher high and higher low. That is what market is doing. Now, if you take a look at this right here, market has given us this high right here, which is our higher high, and now this is an higher low. So markets will continue to push up to it to form a new high. Now, markets did this push up, then it's exhausted, gave us a pullback. Now we'll be expecting another push-up that should clear this high. So for this Monday, we should expect GBP USD to give us a bullish move. Now, this is it right here on our 4-hour time frame. We should expect GBP USD to push up to completely take out this low highs, this low highs here, and then pull back, and then another push up. So above all, GBP USD will be bullish for us for the day. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.